The PROFORGE INVERTAMAX is the flagship heavy-duty disc cultivator. It's an ideal primary cultivator for heavy stubble tillage. As an effective substitute for ploughing, and thanks to the benefit of the heavy frame and large 25-inch discs, it's possible to till tough and hard soils in one pass, saving time and costs. With the benefit of high ground clearance and wide disc spacing between the two gangs, it's capable of working in high trash conditions and also for secondary tillage, as shown here at work in New Zealand. High operating speeds up to 10 to 15 km per hour are achievable, with a low horsepower requirement, making this a very effective choice. The two rows of discs are spaced apart at 41 inches to allow for maximum through-flow of soils and trash, followed by a rear leveling finger harrow and rear packer system. Class-leading SKF sealed for life bearing hubs are fitted to working discs. The two rows of 25-inch Italian cutaway discs are set at an aggressive angle for maximum tillage. The rear beam is adjustable sideways to allow the discs to be effective in differing soil and trash conditions. Rear lighting kit, mud guards and air brakes now come as standard on all trailed models. The INVERTAMAX is available in the choice of 4 machine widths, the 3-metre mounted, or as 4, 5 or 6-metre trailed folding models. There's a choice of 3 depth adjustable rear packers available as standard, disc bond, rubber wedge or tooth bond for differing soil conditions. Twin hydraulic lockdown wings on trailed models allow for even penetration across the whole width of the machine for maximum performance. All folding trailed models come with rear wheels and have a transport width of 3 meters. For further information and to discuss how the PROFORGE INVERTAMAX can be of benefit to you, visit www.proforge.co.uk.